YouTube? Back again, C.M.D. and Cassie Love. Let's go, let's get it. Back with another
mukbang.
But what's from for the meal?
Well, right now we just cooked something fast because I'm hungry and I didn't eat all day. I was out all day and my baby didn't eat either. So I just made some, the breaded chicken with the with the broccoli and cheese inside. They had 2 of them, corn and cheddar bay biscuits not from Red Lobster, but the ones that you make at home. He got Pepsi and I got Sprite. So
back with the Pepsi. But here it goes right here. It looks amazing. She cooked it. Aww. What an amazing, beautiful woman.
I hope so.
Well, I hope so, please, girl.
But
Why?
I want to just let you guys know that I wanted to say it while he's on camera. Baby, I love you. And I think you're amazing.
Why you want?
And I think you're awesome.
But I'm bipolar.
He always gotta make something funny.
I'm bipolar.
And I think you're awesome. And just know that I love you. And even though I have my attitudes, I still love you. And I will never give up on us. Okay? I just want him to know that.
I appreciate it. I love you more.
I love you, Mom. I'm about to cry.
Oh.
What was this for?
Alright. I don't go like, what the fuck? Back with another mukbang.
Mukbang.
I really forgot I hate shit. Yeah, I eat fucking that food.
I'm hungry, guys. Well, my day consists of, I had to go to Philly. I went there. I had to turn back around because my ID was expired. No, it's not a lie. And I had to go to the DMV. There were 100 people. Well, when I walked in there was on 79. I had to wait all the way till they get to 4. So they had to go up all the way till they get to 4. I was in the DMV without no food, no nothing all day. I was pissed the fuck off. Then I had my niece. She ain't bothered me though, but I was hungry. She had her Lunchable. I wanted to take hers. I was so hungry. I wanted to take her Lunchable. Then she had some little muffins in there. I wanted to take that shit too, but I was like, you know what? I ain't even gonna do that. She's a baby. It was like so much. Now, I don't mind going out, but I hate being out all day without eating because that makes me weak. Now, at least a burger or something, like, fuck. Oh, and I got the Cheetos too. Flaming hot. I eat them with everything.
As you can see it in the background.
They got me hooked to them. I ain't like them at first because I thought it was too hot. But now I guess I'm used to it. Since I did that sriracha stuff.
My hair getting longer.
Still.
I look white. No racist shit.
It's so good.
I don't know what I'm doing. Let me stop.
Oh, my wrist hurt. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. How was your day?
Huh?
How was your day?
I just said it.
Was it good or bad?
It was annoying.
It was annoying.
I was hungry. I wanted to come home.